Hello, hello. Alrighty. Popped in a little late today, sorry. How's everybody doing? How's it going, Hector? Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, no news until 5:30. I thought this was okay. All good on the news. All good, all good. Okay, this thing's working. Okay. Alrighty. Hopefully everybody's doing good. I got to yes, we are almost through the week. Almost. Quite yet though. Yesterday went really well. Definitely happy about that. Yeah, heavy news today, not for the London session though, so we'll be fine on this session. Okay. All right. I can't really tell what the dollar is doing yet. I think it's kind of just bouncing around for now. Go ahead and hit that like button, everybody. Keep the stream going. Odd NZD is probably going up. EGBP, I'm not sure yet. Okay, things are looking kind of choppy as of now. Not really seeing a whole lot yet. Let's see the yens maybe. Like the yen index is coming down. Oh man, I'm getting like a allergic reaction right now. I don't know what's going on. Massios, how's it going? Let's see, gold. You guys know I don't trade gold, but it looks more like that's coming up, if anything. Yeah, gold should probably go up. But you know I don't trade gold, so I don't know. Really don't know. Okay, yeah, I'm not seeing a whole lot yet. Still got 12 minutes 12 minutes before the open, so I'm not gonna get discouraged or anything because there's plenty of time. Plenty of time. This should come up here actually. I very rarely even trade these cross pairs these days. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I don't see a whole lot so far. Yesterday was pretty decent, so it might you know how that goes. One good day is usually followed by a more choppy day. Oh my goodness, I took a nap and I wake up and have an allergic reaction. What's going on? Okay, There's a bunch of weird movement going on right now. Might be able to get away with going long here. I'm not gonna do it just because that hour chart not looking too great. I'm gonna skip on it, but you probably could go long here and get away with it. Let's see. Yeah, the dollar, I'm not too sure. It probably should come down, but it's also at a pretty decent level. So it really could go either way. It really could. And yes, this is going up like I thought it would. Surprise there. Still got 8 minutes for the open. Definitely thinking about going long here. I think I might actually just do. I think I will actually. Okay. Go ahead and take this. Okay. Okay. Just a quick EMA pullback on the hourly chart there. It was decent enough that I could go for it before the session opened. So, worth a try for sure. Definitely worth a try. Oh, I gotta quit vaping. I really do. This thing is messing up my throat. One of these days. Not today. Definitely not tomorrow, but one of these days. So that's the best trade I see so far. Yeah, the dollar looks very iffy today. I'm actually not even sure if I'm gonna trade any dollar pairs today. US dollar, that is. Be sure to hit the like button if you guys are enjoying the streams. Helps me out quite a bit. Okay, here's the open. Let's see what we get here. Like I said, this is a pretty solid EMA pullback on the hourly chart. So it should have no problem going through. And that's a good start for the day. Still want to find probably at least one more. This is only 2 reward here. So I'd like to get to like 5 if possible. Especially since the week started off so bad. If possible. So far, I usually would go for this EMA pullback here, but it's like a double, triple top on the higher chart, so I'm gonna skip that one. Where was that? GCAD? GCAD. So that should push this trade through even faster since the EGBP will probably end up going down if it's gonna follow those triple top, double top patterns. So that should push this trade through. Like I said, that will put me at 2 already. Great way to start. The dollar definitely has not picked a direction yet. So I would recommend staying away from the dollar pairs for now. I'm really not sure what it's going to do yet. All right. It's looking pretty good so far. Now this is right at the 21 EMA. A very common trend continuation point if it's going to continue down. But like I said, the heavy trend is on the hourly chart. And that is technically still an uptrend. So it should continue going up. See if that actually happens. And it looks like the EGBP is going to come down. So I might get in on that trade next. I could probably go with the further take profit here, but I'll just keep it where it is. I think it might be too risky. Okay, lots of movement today. Lots of movement. It looks like the dollar might actually come up. Yep, I think so. I'll give it some time to give me a more clear indicator that that's actually going to happen. This probably will go up too. And this probably will come down. Okay. We got some decent trades in the works. We'll see if this one ends up recovering and going through. Yeah, it looks like this is finally coming down. I would still give it like one more. I want to see a little bit better of a pattern. Maybe come back up, put in another top. It kind of already has enough anyway, though. So we'll see. I might hop into that one too. So back into a profit over here. A good sign. Like I said, it looks like the dollar is gonna go up at least for a little bit. I don't know about the whole session, but it's definitely coming up right now. Still not too confident on the dollar as of now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit choppy today so far. Might be just happy to get this one here. I don't know. I'm gonna try at least try to get another one. But on choppy days, especially, you want to try to get nice, clean trades. You don't want to go for this other mess that's going on right now. This here is a nice, clean EMA pullback. Almost everything else I'm seeing looks very choppy. Yeah, still no clear direction on the dollar. Now, if it goes past this level here, then it probably will just keep going up. But if it gets up here and then bounces back down, I would bet on the downside. So we'll see when it comes to that one. A little trade here is still chugging along. I don't think it should take too much longer. Again, we're looking for nice, clean trades. I don't want choppy, indecisive looking trades. I want nice, clean, Trend has already started. Nice pullback to the EMA. That's really what we're looking for. Those are the best ones. Don't want to trade in a range. I want to trade with a bunch of wicks and tails and things like that. Let's keep that win rate as high as possible. Okay, looks like I will get this one here. Like I said, I am a little tempted to move the stop up, or sorry, move the take profit up a little bit actually. But I'll leave it there. I don't want to get greedy and end up losing it. Whew. Yep, looks like the EGBP is gonna come down. But I'm too late to get into the move now, so hopefully it gives me a nice pullback and I can hop in there. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to let the move go. It's okay to miss a trade here and there. You can't catch them all. Yeah, Hector, I agree. If this pulls back to half or even more, then I'll get back into it because it's like 5 tops, quadruple top, head and shoulders. It's like a really good indicator for it to come down. So I'm gonna try to get in there, but right now, I mean, the stop loss would be way too big. You have to put the stop loss like, and you don't want to use a 12 pip stop loss on the EGBP. It's just too big. So, but the good thing is it'll push this trade through. So at least I'll get something out of it. It should push it through, rather. A very, very high chance of that happening. So this trade here has only got like 12 pips to go, which is nothing for such a heavy pair. We'll see if it makes it. The EGBP should continue coming down, so this should go through. Yeah, I don't see much else. For now, at least. I guarantee within like the next half an hour, 20 minutes, I'll start to see some other trades. It's just gonna be a little slow to get started today. That happens every once in a while too. Okay. Yeah, still not seeing much on the dollar for now. So I'm still waiting. Watching and waiting on that one. So today's a little slim pickings too. I guess that means tomorrow is going to be the big movement day. Yeah, this trade's taking way longer than I thought it would. There's actually a really good EMA pullback here. I decided not to get into it. It went long right here. That'll worked out really well. That's okay. The EGBP is coming down. The Misa Euro is at least going down relative to the GBP. And like I said, this is pretty nice EMA pullback on the hour and the 15-minute. So I'm gonna let it run. Because yeah, this should continue coming down. Like I said, it should come back maybe halfway up and then continue down. So if it does, I'll get into it there. So we'll see. I think this trade is still valid. Still a good trade. Some of these trades end up taking hours just to get like 5 pips. So that happens every once in a while too. Just gotta let it run. Okay, so the dollar is continuing up for now, at least. Yeah, there's a lot of movement today. It's just all really choppy, which I'm not a huge fan of. Okay. Yeah, I'm still gonna let it run. Okay, so I'm getting a little pullback here. Like I said, I want this to come up like halfway or come all the way back up here. Either way, and then I'll get into it. Okay, so here's that level. If the dollar breaks through, this level here, and it should continue up, or it's gonna bounce off and put like a big engulfing bar in the other direction, and then it should come down. So that's gonna be the deciding factor here. We're still waiting on that. This one I still wouldn't go long yet. If anything, you could do a buy stop just to be on the safe side. This one actually looks like it's not even gonna pull back up very far. I would hope for it to at least go halfway, and then I can sell it. But it looks like it might not even do that. You could also do a sell stop down here, just to try to catch it in case it just comes crashing down. So yeah, there's a lot more trades available now. Yeah, it looks like this is just gonna come down. And it looks like the dollar might actually bounce here and come down instead of going up, but I'm still not really sure yet. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. What's going on with my trade over here? This one's looking pretty decent still. Maybe not super fantastic, but it doesn't look bad, at least. This is at a heavy level here too. So yeah, there's a bunch of trades coming up, but they're like all kind of on the same stuff. So I don't want to take too many trades on like related pairs. Very risky to do that. Okay. Looking pretty good. It's got like 9 pips to go. Let's see if it makes it. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, looks like I might get this one here. Okay, here's a little pullback. So since this one's pulling back, it's gonna prevent the other one from going through until it starts coming back down. Which shouldn't take too long, really. See, is it even gonna pull back? Is the question. Be better if it did. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna pull back. So yeah, this one should just get pushed through. Like I said, I probably could move the take profit like up here somewhere. Although I'm not gonna do that. That's what I think is gonna happen. It should go up even further. Okay, a little more of a pullback now. I sneeze and won't come out. See if the dollar actually makes it above the level. Okay. Let's see if this one makes it to half. Okay. Okay, so we got our pullback. I'm gonna use the bathroom really quick before this move happens. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so this is probably all the pullback we'll get here. And this one should be almost done. Almost. It's getting there. Taking forever. So the dollar came down pretty heavy. I don't know if it's gonna continue coming down. But that's a pretty big move. So that is a good indicator that it might. But it's still kind of... It's still in a very iffy spot, I think. the chance of this going up for much longer here is very, very small. At most, it would probably go up to around here somewhere, and then you could really short. You could go on a big short there if it goes all the way up there. CAD. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's gonna continue letting that one run. Okay, it's a little past halfway now. See how far this thing goes up. Okay. All right, it's coming up. It's coming up. Okay. So I want to see a big bar, big red bar, and I'll go ahead and sell here. Do at least want to wait for one before I do anything, just in case it wants to come like up here somewhere. It does have a little bit of space. Here's the level all the way up here. So it's got some space if it wanted to go all the way up there. I don't think it's gonna make it that far, but just in case. Okay. Coding with David. How's it going, man? Varun Kyrie. How's it going? All right, so like I said, I'm waiting on a red bar here on the 5-minute, not the 3-minute. Okay, so my other trade is still kind of bouncing around. It might just take forever. It's most likely gonna have to wait for this to come down. Euro comes down, pushes the pound up, so that should be when it finally goes through. Whenever this thing wants to come down. Yeah, because the dollar pairs are still looking very choppy. Dollar is just kind of bouncing around. Let's see, AUD. This one's still. Yeah, I wouldn't do anything with this one yet either. I'm still just waiting over here for this. Varun, yeah, I'm in this trade here, this GBP CAD. It's taking forever, but I do think it'll go through eventually. Just give it some time. But yeah, that's the only trade I've taken today. It was a little too choppy for my taste, so I didn't hop into any of the dollar trades. I did miss like one or two, but that's okay. I'd rather miss a choppy trade than to lose for no reason. Go for the good trades only. High quality trades only. That's what I try to do. Try to keep as high as a win rate as possible. That is the goal. You want to make money, but you also want to not lose money. Both of those need to be the goal. Okay, so we're coming up to the level here. Let's see if it goes all the way up. Is it gonna go all the way up here? Or is it gonna reverse right here? Is the question. Once this does what it's supposed to do, you can super sell. And it should be coming up pretty soon here. All right. Should be getting that engulfing bar any minute now. Hmm. Okay, looks like it is gonna go past this level. It'll probably go all the way up to the top on that hour chart. Looks like that will be the case. Other trade is still chugging along. Still. Okay, that's a good sign. Don't have the signal yet. It's definitely looking better now. We're trying to sell this here. Just waiting on an engulfing bar. Like it might actually make it all the way up to the top here. Like I said, I highly doubt that it continues up from there. Okay, got a red bar forming. Okay, this might be the engulfing bar I was looking for. Yeah, looks like it. Yep, okay. So I'll go ahead and sell here before this gets too big. Okay. Finally able to sell this one here. Hopefully not too early. Didn't even go for much on the take profit. Let's see my other trade. Other trade's not looking as good. But like I said, this should start coming down. We should push that trade back up. So best case scenario, both of these trades will go through. Okay. Looking pretty good. Like I said, I probably could even go for a further take profit on this one. It's like a quadruple top on the hourly chart, which is a really good sign that it's coming down pretty heavy. But I won't even go for that much here. It should come down pretty quick too. Okay, it's looking good. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, this is one of those days where I had to be patient because, like I said, the dollar pairs are just bouncing all over the place. There's really no clear direction on those, so it would be kind of reckless to get into a trade if you don't think it's gonna go very far. You definitely want to wait for the trades that look like they have a long way to go. That way you can go for more reward, get more money for your effort. I'll put it that way. Okay. So I'll probably stay on here till like 1:30 at the latest. About 20 more minutes. We'll see if I end up staying on here that long. This other trade is still going, which is insane. Anyways, this one looks like a much better trade than the other one. But really, they should both go through. Okay, here we go. Got to get through this little level here, and then it should be pretty smooth after that. Okay, so I'm back in a profit on this first trade. Like I said, this going down should push the other trade up, and it should just make them both go through, which would be a really good day for me. This is actually a compound trade here, so I'm really hoping it goes through. If not, I'll lose quite a bit on this one. The other one's just a regular trade. So really hoping this one goes through. Looks really solid on the chart, at least. So, but there is a chance that, like I said, it goes all the way up to this level up here. I think it's a pretty small chance of that happening, but it could. Yeah, just gotta let it run though. Gotta let it run, let it do its thing. Even if it takes 2-3 hours to go through, it's better than taking partial profit and then missing all this down here. GBP CAD, that's my other trade, right? Yeah. I'm gonna stay in it. I'm gonna stay in it just because I'm in this one. Like I said, hopefully this doesn't stop me out and then go up here and then come down. That would kind of suck. Little bit. Hopefully the momentum is good enough for it to just keep going down. Tough call. Hopefully it's good enough. Like I said, it does have a little bit of momentum on that hourly chart. But on all the other charts, it looks like it should come down pretty much immediately. So we'll see. Okay, let's see. Was I right or was I wrong? Yeah, if I was right on this one, it'll take my very mediocre week into like a super good week. And if I'm wrong, it'll take a mediocre week into a bad week. So I'm really, really hoping I got this one. The other one I don't care too much. This one I don't care too much, but I'm gonna let it run regardless. This one I definitely would like for it to go through. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, this is a tight one. Pretty tight one. And I took a compound trade, so I can't even move the stop. I'm still in my other trade though. Barely. Oh, uh-oh. Oh man, I hope I don't get wrecked here. Alrighty, Hector. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Yeah, I hope this trade works out too. Make this a good week. If not, it's okay. You know, not the end of the world or anything, but yeah, that would be way better than it, failing. Yeah, this is a tight one here. Yeah, if it puts in another big red bar here, it should be fine. But if anything other than that happens, I'll be a little bit worried. All right. Okay. What I don't want to happen is for it to stop me out and then go to here and then come down. That'll be the worst thing ever. But that is what might happen. Hold on. There's only like a couple more pips up. Okay, if I move it here, 9.3 and red is only 0.4 today. That's the best I can do. That would cause me to lose way more if it does fail, but okay. I at least have it above that level there. That's all I can do on that one. Oh, if it fails, it fails. It's okay. Okay, so it's coming up on 1:30 now. Still in this trade here, and still in this trade here. So I'm gonna let these run overnight while I sleep, and hopefully they both go through. That'd be a really, like I said, a really good addition to the week. But anyways, I'll be back tomorrow, 11:30 West Coast time, and I'll see you guys later.